Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how to create a Zoom meeting, and I'm going to try and go over some of the common errors that seem to come up. But let me close out of this. All right, so what you're going to want to do first, pull up the Windows screen down here if you're on a Windows computer. Type in Zoom. It'll show up here in the Windows App Store. If you don't already have it downloaded, go ahead and download it, and then you can hit Enter, start it right up. So this is the screen you should see. New meeting, you'll hit this if you want to start a meeting like right now at 5:41. That's the current time I'm making this video. You can hit that and start a meeting. Join if you want to join a meeting. Share screen if you want to share a screen. These three right here are probably not the ones we're going to be using initially. I'm going to use the schedule one right here. So go ahead and click schedule. I'm going to name this TJ meeting. Awesome. I'm going to set this for 7 p.m. tonight. The duration during the time of this, I'm making this during the coronavirus pandemic. So Zoom has lifted all time restrictions past 45 minutes. So you'll see this, but it doesn't really matter right now. The time limits are unlimited. So you can require a password. I'm going to make this one Yoda. Video, can leave all this. All this is changeable, or you can turn on right when you go into the meeting. Some more advanced options if you want down here. I enable the waiting room just so if it's a large group of people, they can all talk before the meeting starts. But and then you can select here if you want this meeting to reoccur. So keep in mind, if I select March 29th, 2020, and I select reoccurring meeting, this is going to go away. Oh no, how do I select the date? Well, I will show you. Hit schedule. It's going to open you up here in Google Chrome. Make sure you have Google Chrome installed on your computer. Then I have multiple emails. Before this, you want to make sure you are signed out of all emails. So before you even start this, keep all your emails signed out. Then I'm going to go ahead and select this one. This is my school account. I'm probably going to go ahead and block this so you guys can't see it. Sign in, whatever. And then should redirect me. Continue. If this is the first time you're going to do it, it's going to ask you to authorize Zoom. See, confirm your choices, allow. I'm allowing Zoom to access all my data, which is just fantastic. So now we didn't have the date option after we select reoccur. Now we do here on the top. If you see the top left of my screen, I can select 7 p.m. I already have that set, and does not repeat. I want it to repeat daily, weekly, monthly. I'm going to do weekly on Sundays just for the sake of this video. Change the conferencing to Zoom meeting. Sometimes there will be a little error here. You can hit try again, or whatever the error is, you just have to refresh right there. If that doesn't work, go ahead and leave a comment down below and I can help you with that error. Sometimes people get different errors. To add people to this meeting, on the right side, you'll hit add guests. So if I wanted to add, I don't know, just any person, you can go ahead and type in that name and just keep creating a long list of people. And then that's about it. And then this is the email that they will see when they get the meeting. And when they get this, they will just have to click this link to join. After that, you just hit save. It'll ask you to send it. And then invite the external guests. And boom, should be good to go. Now I select it to reoccur. So you see here, it's the 29th, it's a Sunday. This is my meeting. Then we should go to the next month, see it again, TJ meeting, TJ's meeting, TJ's meeting, continuously until the end of time, until I turn it off. So that is how you do it. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.